Discussion going.
This Labour Welfare Board meeting. It is more of the schemes basically. We just went through the schemes of the labour welfare, and because we had formed a subcommittee, because subcommittee basically came up with I think out of the 10 schemes whatever we had, 3 schemes are basically defunct because we will not be using
Those schemes.
Those schemes. So they have come up with some fresh
New schemes.
scheme, which is basically more approachable and more beneficial towards the labour, and enhancement also of the amount. Plus, we are going to they have suggested that I think it has been implemented that as far as any labour who is working, if there is that occurs when he is working, he will get 50,000 rupees as a one-time compensation.
So this is finalized today, or it is the first phase?
It is finalized. It is finalized. This was one of the recommendations what they have.
Recommendation.
Yeah, and then there was some other recommendations will be seen, but they will be meeting back again and deliberating on the full the thing, and then next board meeting we will decide on.
So,
contract with anybody, contract or permanent who dies, he will get 15,000.
Contract workers as well as who dies on service.
service. So as far as any update like that,
Apply to construction workers and all.
For everyone. For these are industries workers and all. But even where construction workers are concerned, they are also going to get.
This is approved.
This is approved.
okay.